Hello guys, my name is Tigran Ter-Karapetyants and I'm the creator of this course. In this short video, I will give you an overview of what we are going to learn. In this course, we are going to set up our first simple test automation framework with Java and Selenium, with the minimum set of tools. We will use Gradle as a build tool, Java as a programming language, JUnit as a test runner, and Selenium as a tool to interact with browser via code. We are going to learn from scratch to advanced level. At the beginning of the course, you will understand what Selenium is and what its main components. Moreover, we will discuss the role of the Selenium in software testing process. Then, we will start our way in Selenium framework setup with the help of Java and Gradle. You will see why WebDriver Manager library is needed and how it can simplify your life as a test automation engineer. We will gradually improve our test application and add new features step by step with detailed explanation of why the improvement is needed. Our following step will be to migrate our Java main method into a JUnit test method. We will observe different types of hooks in JUnit 5 and discuss why each of these hooks is needed. This will help to learn how to prepare and close test resources correctly with minimum set of test automation tools. Then, we will understand which types of weights can be found in Selenium and how to apply them correctly in test automation framework. Afterwards, we will create a structured test automation framework with the help of the most common test automation patterns. We will consider page object, web component, and data transfer object concept to improve the verbosity of our tests and accelerate new test development process. The final part of our curriculum will be running our automation tests via the command line. With the Shift architecture, you can set up your own test framework and run your regression tests on the daily basis. And what is extremely important regarding this course is that you will get tons of code examples. So, you could use them in your projects or during the learning. All examples are made on the basis of real-life cases of web application UI testing. There are no abstract examples from books that just don't help to understand the topic. This course is based on real-life cases that will help you to learn the right things in the right way. Enough talks. Let's start our course. See you in the next lesson.